welcome you to our play. We have been studying the rainforest. We are going to take you to a place with 200 trees and hundreds of animals. We hope you enjoy our play, Rumpus in the Rainforest.
Once, not very long ago, in the Amazon rainforest, there lived a frog. This is her story. The story of an impossible dream that came true. The leaves are so thick in parts of the rainforest that less than 10% of the sunlight reaches the jungle floor. Critters may spend their whole entire life without ever seeing the sun. They're on a log with the frog.
Just once I gotta see the sky, once beyond the trees. Once I gotta get up high, just once beyond the leaves. She's tried, she's tried, jumps at every side, but she's stopping on the topping, 'cause she's 100 feet too short. She's tried, leaping like a she's tried, jumps at every side, but she's stopping on the topping, 'cause she's 100 feet too short. Just once I wanna leave my log to see if skies are blue. Once I wanna be a frog who casts a shadow too. Just once I gotta see the. Hello, jaguars. Can you take me up to the sky above the trees? Don't be silly. Why would everyone be there? I'm a cuckoo cat, this is where it's at. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and there's critters to eat. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? There are bugs who trounce, oh it's so fun to pounce. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and there's critters to eat. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? These are cool cats, this is where it's at. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and there's critters to eat. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? I'm a sloth. I would help you up this tree. I'm a sloth. But I'm lazy as can be. I'm a sloth. Look out, it's the boas. Fly away. I can't, my wing still doesn't work. Oh, please don't run away. You don't think, well, I want to, well, eat you. Do you? Oh no, I hear the voice see the sky. Hop on in the bag and I'll take up to see the sky. Don't trust him. Come along. I'm your friend. Don't Rumpus.